Okay. Hey guys, my name is Rose, and this is gonna be in the finale for the last into project pan. I'm filming this a little early. It's only the 21st, and this goes up on the 1st. So, well, I'm gonna be traveling around like right after Christmas, around like New Year's. So like, I want to get this done and filmed and just get in. So I have two empties. For Jupiter, I was using this St. Ives apricot scrub, and it's empty. I mean, there's like tiniest bit, but it's like been so hard to get out. Like, it's basically empty. Like, I would need like, because every single time I would like have to squeeze from the top to the bottom, and for the last like month probably, because this just fills with air. But it was just a little guy. It was only like 1 ounce, so it was like a little guy. So it's empty. So that one's empty. And then for Earth, I finished the gloss, which I actually like did this. The base cracked. This cracked a little bit, but I'm glad that I don't have like this whole big thing, and I can store this easier now. So like, and I can put this in my empties, and I can count this as an empty by itself without having to finish this whole thing to have one empty. So yeah, I separated it. Well, if you want, I can peel this off too, because I never peeled it off. Boop boop. It's a little mirror. There you go. Peel that off. I thought I was going to have to use it like 20 times to finish it, but I used it like 35, I think. This 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yeah, 35 times to actually finish it, which is a lot. And like, so it's like super duper clean in there. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of this, so I'm happy I got this out. And then for my eye pencil for what planet was this for? Neptune. I used it 3 times. One of those times is in my waterline right now. I just haven't been using. I just wasn't using this because it kept breaking on me. I am gonna probably toss this now, or toss this probably in the next month or 2 maybe. I don't know, because it's just not worth the trouble. Even though I really like the color of it, it's just not worth the trouble. And I got this in one of those like super big like Walmart sets that was like $15 for like 4 palettes, 4 face palettes, 3 eye pencils, like 8 nail polishes. Like, it had all that stuff for like $15. It was like cheap. So like, this is, I think that, no, I have the purple one too still, but I was like, this is the last thing. No, this one and the purple one was the last thing, and the purple one hasn't broken on me at all. So I don't know, maybe this one is just like softer or something. I don't know what causes them to like break. And now I'll move on to the eyeshadow palettes. I did not take a picture of it after I filmed the last update, because I just didn't want to take a picture, so I don't have a picture to share with you. But I'll go and start with the Kylie one, which I'll start with this one because I skipped out. Like this, I mixed this shade and what was left of this shade into a powder that I'm gonna use on in my eyebrows. So like, I'm not using it right now, but I was planning on doing that anyway. So I was like, I'm tired of waiting for this project to end, so I'm just gonna do that. And even then, like, this color took over, and it was so warm that I had to mix like a like gray into it to try to cool it down. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using that probably for the next year or so. I don't know how long that will take me. I'm trying to finish off a eyebrow pencil too right now. So, and then I have the gray, which has a little bit of a dip, but not really much anything. I used it to kind of deepen and a little bit on the edge. And I have the blue and the yellow, which both have pan. The blue took forever to hit pan on. I don't know why. I've been gravitating much more towards the yellow. Today I have both in my crease. I tried to mix them to make a green. They don't really make a really pretty green. They make this kind of weird, mucky kind of green. But it's like, I can make a green with it. So like, I was trying to do that with this. So now, yeah. But I am going to be working on this palette next year. So, because I'm hoping to finish this off next year. So, yeah. Probably gonna be mostly working on these 3 next year, and then continue this. The shade is garbage, so I'm not gonna work on that next year. But yeah, so hopefully I can get this all empty by next year. And then the last shade, which I don't have pan on either, is Hopeful. This has gotten such a dip though. Like, it's not a deep dip, but like I use it with my finger, so it's like, that's why. But yeah, and having this in this project has made me reach for it like way more. Like, I even just want to like add it into my inner corner sometimes, or like stuff like that. So I think I will continue to reach for that shade in this palette, and just even though this project's ending, like my Essence cream to powder highlighter, I have kept reaching for that, even though that rolled out this project whenever. But I have kept I'm wearing it right now too, but I have kept reaching for that. I keep like reaching for that too. So it's gonna be like, I'm gonna want to reach for this, and this I'm gonna work on eventually. This is a palette I do want to pan eventually, but I'm not gonna work on it next year. But yeah, I'm happy with my progress. I mean, and then that's gone. That's all I have to say. So hopefully you guys did good in this project too, and I'll see ya in the next video. Hopefully sometime. Bye.